Welcome back, sir. All systems for gaming will be prepared in a few minutes. For now, feel free to grab a cup of coffee and have a good day.
Second day, let's go. Oh my god, here we go, second day. We're crossing the border with Bulgaria in just a few minutes, like it's not that far. We had a really nice hotel. I'm happy with where we stayed. Good for the money, let's say. It's so good to move a bit faster. So the wind is coming through the air vents. Wow. Yes. I needed to cool down. This is so close, like literally I think we have 2 or 3 minutes left to go to the ferry. And I think there to the left should be the Danube, the big river. Are we gonna see it? I cannot see anything right now, but I know it's after this forest. It's behind this. Oh yeah, I see it. Look at that. It's interesting because yesterday the whole day I didn't feel like I'm in vacation because I was still on like the roads of my country. So yeah, it didn't feel like a trip. But I guess as soon as I pass the ferry and I start to don't understand the language and to not understand the signs, not be able to read them, I guess that's gonna be the moment when I'm gonna realize, oh shit, I'm not in Romania anymore, I'm not in the country. And yeah, you see the red part on the map? Yeah, I see it as well right now. Guess it's gonna be a long waiting. No.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so we decided to be some assholes and to overtake everything like one does. So yeah, I guess we're gonna see some angry Romanians. But I completely understand them. Oh my god. What's mobile? Unde? Dreapta? Salut! Trecem Dunăre! Ha, ce buzunar ai!
Aici de de drepte castoforul.
Am înțeles. Salut, drum bun! Salut, drum bun! Pa! Hi. Oh, I even forgot that I'm filming. We are in Bulgaria. You know what I was saying, that like the moment I'm gonna pass to Bulgaria, I'm gonna feel that I'm away. Yes, I completely feel it. Look at the numbers, look at the signs. Everything is different. Okay, so let me tell you the plan for today. We passed the Bulgarian border and we want to go to Varna. We're gonna visit something there, and then the plan is to go from Varna to Burgas, where we have the accommodation. We're gonna stay 2 nights in Burgas, so we have more than enough time to visit it, to enjoy the seaside, to get some tan, like summer tan, yes.
20 minutes later.
No contactă? Ești pe cameră, zâmbești, Ivane.
Hai la Dumnezeu, mă, de fier!
Deci nu fă mișto că încă te ascultă de mai. Deci cum putem să ne furăm singuri motorul, da? Băgăm cheie în contact. Nimic. Ești nebun, s-a stricat motorul în Bulgaria. Hopa! Facem așa, avem siguranția. Hopa! Contact!
Scoate cheia. So let me explain you what just happened. So my father was accusing some weird things with the motorcycle, like sometimes would just stop, and I also saw that in the rear mirror, like I saw that the light was just turning off. We took a break, and when we wanted to continue, basically the motorcycle said no, I'm not gonna go. We checked what happened, and there was the contact from like where we put the key. There was a wire that was not soldered properly. Basically that wire just disrupted, and what we did is basically what the thieves do when they steal a car in the movies, for example. The motorcycle kind of stays on without the keys. So that's what happened, like literally we stole the motorcycle from us, and right now if he wants to stop the motorcycle he has to take this fuse from under the seat. We are still going to Varna. we were supposed to arrive already there, like it's 1:30. We're supposed to be there like 1 hour ago almost, but at least we fixed everything. It looks like the motorcycle is working. He's behind me, I can see him in the mirrors. So let's continue the road, let's see where it goes. Oh yes. Nice view. He just said it smells like sea, like literal. Oh, green! Let's catch that green! Green, 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 green! Straight ahead, bro. It's green. Ah, okay. Ambulance, yeah. I didn't hear it at the beginning. Look at the legs. Who's winning, left or right? Ooh. Să-ți brie? Cum te combați?
Cred că la cascatarea aia, nu la mine.
Ține-mi frâncă de cască. So now we are leaving Varna. We are going to Burgas. We're gonna have one stop on the road. I don't remember the name of the city. It was yeah, it's yeah, it was a complicated name. It was hot as hell. We visited the zoo. It was cute. We saw quite a lot of animals. Nothing extremely special, but yeah, at least we stayed a bit in the shade in the park. We visited the park. Yeah, normal stuff. There is the Black Sea. Huge. Every time you forget how big is like an actual sea, but what about the oceans? Oh my god. It's still philosophical for me at the moment. Oh my god. Oh yeah, look at them on the map. It's right, literally straight ahead. Ooh, look at the style of the houses. Look at that. It's kind of a Mediterranean style, I would say. I think kind of love it already. Oh my god, look at this. Look at that. That was such an amazing view. Why didn't I stop there? Oh lord. This is beautiful. This is amazing. Boomsy boomsy. Booms. Booms. These speed bumps, like Bulgaria, I hate them, like are everywhere and I don't even see them, that's the thing. Usually they're with yellow and yeah, other colors, so I don't know, so you can see them. These ones, no, no chance. This looks like a palace, I swear, this is a palace. I see they are having fun here in Obzor. I think with B is nicer. It's more adrenaline. Oh guys, yeah, I've been roller coasting for the first time in my life, like a few weeks ago, I guess. It's just insane. Like if you've never tried that, just go to the closest one. I don't know where that can be. I've tried it in the Netherlands with my best friends, and it was just insane. It was just amazing. So much adrenaline in such a small period of time. You can't believe it. Like literally, it's incredible. And it's incredible what the humankind can build just to have the feeling of almost dying, basically. Like you feel like you're dying almost every second, and yeah, we just like it, like we enjoy it. 1 cute horsepower actually. They recommend going with 40. They recommend. I think that was the right word. Ow, oh, oh. Ouch. Oh my god. The asphalt. Maybe that's why the recommendation. I think it's gonna be another nice view in here. Maybe we find a spot somewhere. That would be so cool if we can see it from somewhere. I don't know where. Oh my god. Can we find something? It's a place to stop, please. Haha, chill. And we are close to Nesebar. Like I've already seen it. It's like a small peninsula. I know this is gonna be a bit more busy, but at the same time it looks closer to the beach in the city center. So yeah, I want to see a bit more from this city. Okay, Rolls Royce. Then yes, I guess, dear friends, this is an expensive city to stay in Bulgaria. It's like the people with pizza will stay. I guess that's the solution in a busy city. A Scooterica. Look at him. He's fuck the traffic. Actually, maybe I can also be a bit of fuck the traffic and do like this. Yeah, I can do that. I'm a bad boy.
Good things. Got a lemonade with chicken wings. With a bad bitch, it's quite thick. So I might just pop myself a chain tonight.
That's what I feel at low speeds. That wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Let's get it started. Booms, booms. Oh, you see kamikaze? Huh? Wait, what is happening with this bird? Let's look at this. Yes, it's indeed Paradiso. It's weird because Bulgaria didn't look so great until this point, and now suddenly suddenly I kind of love it. Like, it's full of life. That was Yamaha XT160X, the little brother of B. Oh, police on motorcycles with BMWs, BMWs. You know, those shitty bikes. This bike, Yamaha, they also produce pianos, drums. My piano and my drum set is from Yamaha. Yamaha. The donuts. Oh, I can feel the smell from here. What? I really want to see that peninsula. Like, oh my god, look at this. Sheesh. We are going on the bridge. Look at this. It's pretty cute. Go to the city center. Just look at these walls. They look so old. It might have been an important city. I'm thinking maybe it was a harbor or something similar. It also has some Greek influences, I would say. And now we go to the city center. To be honest, it looks a bit illegal. I don't know what to say about this. No. No fucking way. Where are we going? I think this is gonna end. This is not gonna end okay. This pavement is incredible. It's so annoying. It's just shaking and wiggling. Look at my handlebar. This looks like urban enduro. It's crazy. And everybody's just looking at us like we're some insane people. Do Timothy. I'm struggling so much. I look like a beginner. You look like a beginner as well. Oh my god, poor you. Come on. They are struggling as well. Oh. Ce e asta, frate? Nu știu dacă e pe aici. Nu știu dacă e pe aici. Nu-mi dau seama dacă drumul e aici. Hai. I just want to get out of here as soon as possible because I'm sure we are so illegal and everybody's just looking at us like, look at these people from the restaurant. Please, please, please tell me this is the way out. Please. Oh guys, we did something insane. We went in the old center of Nesebar, basically literally in the center of the pavement. Nobody was there, only people. And that happened because my stupid Google Maps I don't know why or how it happened, but basically it thought that that I'm like walking, not with the car or motorcycle or whatever. So because of this, I went on the pavement like a normal tourist, walking. But I was not walking, I was with this monster. So you can imagine it was pretty crazy. It was, it was shit as fuck. And we didn't know. The problem is we got lost and we didn't know how to get out, and we have to ask somebody. And still, even after that, was like full of people. You can't even imagine. Like stupid as fuck. But we got out and we are alive and nothing happened. We didn't get any fine yet, at least. Oh my fucking god, awesome. I want to forget this too soon. Yes, going to Burgas now. We should be there like in half an hour. Insane.